Hello everyone, welcome back to RM English. क्या आप भी चाहते हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ आसान इंग्लिश में बात करना? तो ये वीडियो आप ही के लिए है. चलें शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो. Our first sentence, what happened to you? What happened to you? तुम्हें क्या हुआ है? Why are you not answering? Why are you not answering? तुम जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे? What did you eat today? What did you eat today? तुमने आज क्या खाया? How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? तुम्हें चोट कैसे लगी? Wash your hands. Wash your hands. अपने हाथ धो. Stand still. Don't move. Stand still. Don't move. सीधे खड़े रहो, हिलना मत. Take a bite of this. Take a bite of this. इसका एक निवाला खा लो. Do you want to sip? Do you want to sip? क्या आपको एक घूंट पीना है? Taste this cake. Taste this cake. इस केक को चखो. We will play in the evening. We'll play in the evening. हम शाम में खेलेंगे. Don't run up the stairs. Don't run up the stairs. सीढ़ियों पर मत दौड़ो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. धीरे चलो. Believe me, you can do it. Believe me, you can do it. मुझे यकीन है तुम कर सकते हो. I am angry with you. I'm angry with you. मैं आपसे नाराज़ हूँ. Don't eat the ice cream. You will catch a cold. आइसक्रीम मत खाओ, तुम्हें नज़ला हो जाएगा. It's very hot outside. It's very hot outside. बाहर बहुत गर्मी है. Have a good day everyone. Have a good day everyone. सबको एक और अच्छा दिन मुबारक हो. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.